Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to share with you one of the things that's featured in our new cookbook, Air Fry Easy Every Day, but also for generally when you're cooking in the air fryer. And today I want to talk about cooking air fried chicken legs. And most particularly, this would particularly apply if you live in the UK, and that is using M&S chicken legs. I was in M&S recently, and it was the same conversation I was having with myself probably 20 years ago. And I just, when you just overhear someone's conversation when they're shopping, it happens, doesn't it? And you just can't help yourself, you keep listening. And it was mother and daughter. The daughter was a grown-up and she was shopping with her mum, and she said, I just wish I could afford to do my weekly shopping here. And I'm like, nah, you don't want to, because whenever I'm in there, they never have everything I want. So you can't do a weekly shopping M&S. But going back 20 years ago, when I was probably thinking around the same, thinking, oh, I wish I could buy more things in M&S, I had favourites. I used to always go to M&S for the pink sauce that they used to do, because that was amazing. And I'd say my biggest go-to there was the little Bucks Fizz bottles they used to do, which I still get them now to share with Dom. And then the other thing is that there would always be a trending food in there, normally chicken, that was on a special deal and it wouldn't break the bank. Well, the modern day of that is they've got a chicken range as M&S, and it's as cheap as chips. And I've seen loads on TikTok for it, and I just wanted to share with you how amazing it actually is. So what it is one of them, I'm going to do this as a series for you, by the way. One of them is these. What these are is the M&S legs packs, and these are actually 600 grams of chicken legs. And as you can see, I've got another pack there, so I've got 2 packs of the chicken legs. So when you look at the retail cost of these are just £1.50 a pack. So depending on how big the legs are, you'll get 2 to 3 legs in each pack. So between the 5 packs there, the 2 packs there, sorry, I've paid £3, and that's 5 legs. And what we've done in Air Fryer Easy Every Day is what we have in here is we have our marinades for everything. And one of them is based upon the chicken legs from M&S. So what we do is we teach you 7 different marinades. This is one of the marinades here. This is the Moroccan one. And then you've got the time and temperature there for doing the chicken legs, but it gets better. What we also have in this book, which is a real favourite of mine, is how to chop up a chicken. But before you think, oh, chopping up a chicken is too much for me, it also teaches you how to chop up a leg into drumsticks and thighs. So instead you can turn this 5 portions of chicken into 10 portions, and for £3, I think that's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you now just how easy it is to cook these chicken legs in the air fryer. Perfect for if you haven't done them before. And then of course you can chop them up, or you don't have to. It's totally up to you. You can use some paper liners as well. I picked these up from the market, and they're just so easy. For cooking in the air fryer and for keeping the cost down as well. So like I mentioned, I've got these legs. I'm not going to cook all of them today. I just wanted to show you what we've got. So put those to one side. And these are the paper liners that I absolutely love. I mean, if you've not used paper liners in the air fryer, you're seriously missing out. But something to bear in mind, they do come in multiple different shapes and sizes. for using in dual style air fryers. But if you've got a square air fryer, some of the round ones might be better for you, because we find with this size that they're not really that good for all air fryer types. You know, we find that they blow around. For example, if we were doing fried eggs in the air fryer, if we did this size in a basket air fryer, the paper kind of moves about quite a bit. So just aim for a paper liner that suits your air fryer type. So let's get the hole open. So this is our dual air fryer. I say dual, it's actually a flexi drawer. So that just means that that can come out and you've got a massive section. But when I'm using these liners, what I want is I want it to hold its shape. So I'm keeping it like this. So then what you do, paper liner like that. Same again on the other side. Then of course, what you could do is you could be cooking something with dry ingredients in one side and wet in the other, in which case you'd only need to line one side. That is how your paper liner looks in your air fryer. So I've got a knife here. And then I've got 2 large chicken legs from M&S. So you can put 1 in each drawer, or you can normally get away with having them kind of like that. So you've got 2 in one drawer like that. If you have a look, perfectly fits like that. So you can then have chips or something else going on in the other drawer. I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe because I've touched raw chicken. And then what I recommend you have is a spoon with your marinade, so that you can just very easily spoon it on top. This marinade already has salt in it, but if you want to, you can salt your chicken legs first. And then this is just 1 batch of our marinades from our new cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day. And as I mentioned in the cookbook, you can very easily double batch these. So then what you can do is this. Just get your hands in there, give them a good rub round, get that marinade everywhere. And you can also mix this in a Ziploc bag and then freeze it, or just keep it in the fridge in a bowl ready for dinner time, already mixed. It's totally up to you. I'm just saving on washing up here and then just adding it directly on the paper liner. So quick hand wash and we can get our chicken legs on. Right, we're not using that. This is the golden rule of paper liners. Never leave one in on its own with nothing weighing it down, because you can damage air fryers. So when your air fryer forces you to preheat, don't add paper liners, foil or other accessories until it's heated through. So then turn on your air fryer. And I've gone with zone 1, so I'm pressing zone 1 here. If you've just got a normal regular air fryer, then you don't have to do anything here. And then I'm going with 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 25 minutes. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And now the air fryer started, and I'm just going to have a quick clear up, and it'd be so nice to have chicken ready in 25 minutes in a lovely marinade. So it's done, it's cooking time, it's the chicken legs, and now it's on its cool down. Let me give you a viewing of it. So as you can see, it's got the lovely golden colour there on it from the marinade, and it's just beautiful. Let's go a bit closer in and let me show you that chicken. I mean, oh, doesn't that chicken look fantastic? And of course, thanks to the paper liner, it's very easy to remove your chicken from the air fryer. If you look, you can just grab it from there like that. So I'm just going to get the plate out and show you. So what you can do now is you've cooked your chicken, and what you can do is you can just grab it by the leg. It's the easiest way. There's drummer. And then you've got perfectly cooked chicken without messing up your air fryer. So that's what one side looks like compared to the other. So if you wanted to, you can turn it halfway through and then you get less of a colouring on there. But I know quite a lot of you love the honey colour, and as you can see, that chicken leg is really, really juicy. So they're just amazing in the air fryer. And then you just need to carefully remove your paper liner, because you can see all that rubbish that it's creating with the juices and the fat and the marinade. So it's so handy to be able to just grab those out. And I just can't believe how good those chicken legs look. And remember, they didn't cost a lot, and of course you can cut them up into drumsticks and thighs if you prefer. Just check out Air Fry Easy Every Day, because we've got the time and temps for all of them in there. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.